This video will demonstrate how to replace the temperature gauge on a Napoleon Freestyle Grill. The following tools are recommended to have on hand when performing this service: safety glasses, gloves, and a 7mm wrench. Before you begin the service, ensure the grill is off and cooled down before lifting the lid to access the two nuts on the back of the temperature gauge. Use the 7mm wrench to remove the nuts and washers on either side of the temperature gauge. Then carefully tilt the grill head downward and remove the temperature gauge from the lid. Locate the new temperature gauge and carefully place it through the holes in the lid. While holding the temperature gauge in place, lift the lid and reinstall the washers and nuts on either side. Ensure you place the washer on the bolt before installing the nuts and tighten them snug with the 7mm wrench to complete the service. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.